This video is about connecting your gateway via mRemoteNG. It's a software that is used to SSH to your nodes. It's a pretty lightweight and its performance is much more faster than the one that we use for VMware. So I need to open up a new connection from here. In connection, I need to provide my gateway name. Here's the gateway11.wunia.ca. Then you can keep this as it is. For IP, I need to provide IP address. For host name, I need to provide, for username, I need to provide name here and password. This is the thing to remember. For connection protocol, it should be SSH version 2. Port should be 22 and all the session settings should be default. Then you need to just right click over here and then you need to connect. As you could see, it's pretty much fast and it's connected. Now I can just go to, and you don't need to provide password every time like we do there in VMware. So we need to just select and play around what you're gonna do with this gateway. As I'm just getting its status of gateway, and you could see it's running. That's all for mRemoteNG.